All Brita pitchers deliver healthier, great-tasting water and save you money compared to bottled water. So which Brita pitcher is best for you? First, begin with size. Brita pitchers are available in a range of sizes, shapes, and colors. From our largest capacity 18-cup Ultramax to the 10-cup Brita Grand and Brita Everyday to the convenient 6-cup Brita Atlantis. The Brita Grand pitcher features an easy fill locking lid for no spill pouring, soft grip handle, and a volumetric filter change indicator. The Brita Atlantis pitcher features a comfort grip handle and easy fill lid. The Brita Everyday pitcher is a great value. Whichever size suits your lifestyle best, all will fit comfortably in most refrigerators and are made of BPA-free plastic. They're all easy to clean, and all models come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Make sure to use with Brita brand filters to ensure a perfect fit. Brita delivers better tasting water that's good for you, your wallet, and the planet. You already know how great the Brita Atlantis pitcher makes your water taste. Now let's see how easy it is to change the filter. An easy-to-use sticker indicator lets you know when it's time to change the filter. Use Brita brand filters to ensure a perfect fit. Changing filters is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Remove the old filter with the easy grip handle. Flush the new filter with cold water for 15 seconds. Line up the notch in the Brita pitcher with the groove in the filter and press firmly to ensure a tight seal. After changing the filter, fill the reservoir with cold tap water. Brita delivers better tasting water that's good for you, your wallet, and the planet.